Friends, today we are going to discuss another important part in case of bills of exchange. What is that part? Up to now we have discussed either honored or dishonored of a bill. That means bill may be honored or dishonored. That is either bill amount is paid by drawee or refuse to pay the bill amount. If drawee pay the bill amount, that is called as an honored. If drawee refuse to pay the bill amount, that is called as an dishonor. So, either drawee honor the bill or drawee dishonor the bill. So, in such a case, when drawee honored or dishonored, honored means making the payment on the date of maturity. Dishonor means refuse to pay the bill amount on the date of maturity. So, either honored or dishonored. Up to now we have discussed about honored problem, dishonored problem. Now we are going to discuss now that is totally different problem, that is small adjustment in case of bills of exchange. What is that bills of exchange, sir? What is that important topic today we are going to discuss? The topic I will explain to you. All of you write down. Rebate of a bill. Rebate of a bill. All of you write, make the heading rebate of a bill. Sir, what is the rebate, sir? First, write down the problem. Along with problem, I will explain the entire problem to you. So, first, as every problem will be same manner. Same manner means drawer sold the goods, drawee purchased the goods, drawer draws the bill, drawee accept the bill. On the date of maturity, the bill may be honored or dishonored like this. Now we are going to discuss rebate of a bill. Sir, what is a rebate of a bill, sir? So, first I will explain that problem to you. Then on the basis of that problem, you came to understand. So, first you can write down this problem. Shiva sold goods to Hari on 1st March 2020 on credit for 60,000 rupees. So, Shiva sold goods to Hari on 1st March 2020 on credit for 60,000. Shiva draws okay, you can consider it again, you can consider Shiva draws 3 months bill on Hari. So, Shiva sold goods to Hari on 1st March 2020 on credit for 60,000. Shiva draws 3 months bill on Hari. Hari accepted the bill. So, bill accepted by Hari as usual. Now, what happened? Generally, after 3 months, Hari may pay the bill or may dishonor the bill. If he pay the bill, it is called as an honored. If he dishonor the bill, that is called as a dishonor. But in this case, what happened? On 1/4/2020, on credit for 60,000, Shiva draws 3 months bill on Hari. So, March he draws the bill. March to April, April to May, June to July. 3 months means March to April, April to May, May to likewise. Again you can March to April, April to May, May to June. That is the 3 months. So, again I will explain the problem. On March, he sold the goods and draws the 3 months bill. Okay. So, March 1st, then you can count the number months. March to April, April to May, May to June. So, on 1st May 2020, Hari paid the bill amount. What happened? You can see on 1st May 2020, Hari paid the bill. So, first you can find out date of maturity. First you can understand the problem. March 1st to 3 months. March 1st to 3 months, that is March 1st to April 1st. Is it right? Then April 1st to May 1st, May 1st to June 1st. This is the 3 months. So, gradually this 3 days is a grace days. We can discuss the grace days. So, he has to pay on June 4th, but he had paid on 1st May. So, he has to pay on June 4th. That is, if you leave the 3 days, he has to pay on June 1st. March to April, April to May, May to June. Then he paid on 1st May. So, he paid 1 month before the bill. So, actual Hari has to pay on June 4th. But June 4th, irrespective of the June 4th, Hari paid the bill amount on 1st May. So, what happened in this case? The amount is preponed. Preponed means just 1 month before he pay the bill. You can see that on June 1st he has to pay, or June 4th, whatever it may be. But he paid on 1st May. That he paid 1 month before the bill amount. So, 1 month before he paid the bill amount. So, you can see that actually he has to pay on June 1st. Like how March 1st to April 1st, April 1st to May 1st, May 1st to June 1st. But he had paid the bill on May 1st, 1 month before he paid the bill amount. When drawee pay the bill amount 1 month before the date of maturity, generally drawer will grant certain rebate. Rebate means certain discount on his bill. So, he gives certain concession. You can see the concession. So, if you pay the amount before the date of maturity, the drawer will give certain concession to the drawee. Because if I give the concession to Hari, then Hari will state it to another drawee. So, Ramana sir is giving the discount. So, each and every drawee will pay the amount before the date of maturities. So, it is another form of motivating our drawee to pay the bill amount before the date of maturity. When we are, this topic will be very, very important for our plus 2 ratio analysis. In such that chapter in plus 2, I will ask the same question. Why you are offering such type of concessions? Because when we are offering such type of concessions, each and every drawee will be motivated and he pay the bill amount before the date of maturity. When the bill amount is paid before the date of maturity, then what happened? The drawee pay the amount before the date of maturity. In such a case, if one drawee pay the amount before the date of maturity and get the concession, remaining drawees can also be motivated. Then each and every person pay the bill amount before the date of maturity. Then there is no problem of bad debts. Bad debts means dishonor of the bill. If any drawee dishonor the bill, there is no question of bad debts. If drawee all my buyers, that is drawees, pay the bill amount, then there is no problem of bad debts. Bad debts means those amount which are irrecoverable. Now, in order to motivate him, other drawees, I will offer the rebate to him. Rebate means when the drawee pay the bill amount before the date of maturity, then drawer will grant as a tradition. Why drawer grant the discounts or why drawer grant the rebate? It is a tradition to motivate the drawees. So, Shiva granted rebate of here rebate, there must be a percentage, rebate of 12% per annum. So, Shiva granted rebate of 12% per annum. Then pass the journal entries. This is the question. So, Shiva sold goods to Hari on 1st March 2020 on credit for 60,000. Shiva draws 3 months bill on Hari. On 1st May 2020, Hari paid the bill amount. Shiva granted rebate of 12% per annum. Pass the journal entries. What is the rebate? I am going to explain you. What is the meaning of rebate? What is the meaning of rebate? Now I am explaining the working notes. So, see here, rebate. This is the working notes you have to calculate in exam. Rebate. Actual date of maturity. Date of maturity. When he has to pay? On June 4th. Or June 1st, 3 days, it is a grace test. Now, he paid actual date of payment. Actual date of payment, when he pay? May 1st. He may pay the May 1st. So, 1 month. Because May to June, 1 month here. So, 1 month before he paid. So, in such a case, now rebate will be, what is the bill amount? 60,000 into, what is the rebate? 12%. How many months you are paid? 1 month. So, you can see that 60,000 bill amount, 12 months, 12% rate of rebate and 1 month before he has paid. Now you can simply cancel 12, 12, zeros. So the rebate comes as 600. So the rebate comes as 600. 60,000 into 12 by 100 into 1 by 12. That is rebate comes as 600. You can write down this is a working notes. So, first you can write down the problem, then you can write down this is the first working notes, this is the second working notes. After writing of the problem, first you can write down the date of maturity, first working note. Second working note is a rebate. Rebate means before he made the payment. When he made the payment before, then in such a case, drawer will grant such a rebate to him. So, when drawer grant the rebate means a concession when in the bill amount. When drawer give the rebate, then all the drawees, different drawees are respond quickly to pay the money. So, in such a case, it is the process of, it is called as a technique which is inspired the remaining buyers to pay the amount before the date of maturity. When we pay the amount before the date of maturity, there must be a discount of 600. That is the rebate 600. So he has to pay on June 4th, but he has paid on May 1st. 3 days, that 3 days. So in such a case, 1 month before he has paid 60,000 into 12 by 100 into 1 by 12. 600 is a rebate. Now, I will write down the entries. So it is an important for his date of maturity, working notes. Now, what is the rebate? 600 is the rebate. Oh, I explained in the working notes. So what is the rebate? Rebate comes as a 600. If you have doubt, again I write in here. How 600? 60,000 bill amount 12%, 1 month before paid. 12, 100, 100, 600 rebate. This is a rebate. Now I will write down the entry. Books of Shiva. Who is he? Seller, drawer, plus payee, he receiving the amount. So seller, drawer, payee. You write down the journal entries. Journal entries, simple, date, particulars, LF number, debit, credit, simple. Date, particulars, LF number, debit. What the problem? First entry as usual. 2020 March 1st. March 1st. Same. Hari account debit to sales account. Same entries. Hari account debit to sales account comes as 60,000. Being goods sold to Hari on credit. Simple, you can write down. Hari account debit to sales account. Same, no change in entry. On March 1st. Bills receivable. Account debit to Hari account. 60,000. Being 3 months bill drawn. Being 3 months bill drawn. Bills receivable account debit to Hari account. Now actual date of maturity we find out June, but Hari paid before the date of the maturity 1 month before, that is May 1st. May 1st. So here Hari pays the bill amount, but we are granting such an rebate to him. That rebate is a loss to the drawer, even though it is a loss, but he received the amount. If we are not giving this type of 600, then drawee may dishonor the bill. If drawee dishonor the bill, then entire 60,000 loss to the Shiva. That's why Shiva will give certain rebate to attract the hurry to pay the bill amount before the 1 month. If he deposit the 60,000 into the bank, then he will receive the same interest. So what is an entry? Debit, what comes in? Cash account debit. Real account. Rebate on bills account. Why I have debited? Because it is a loss to Shiva, gain to Hari. But Shiva does not think about 600. 600 is a minimum loss. So because business is an element of risk and uncertainty, when 600 he gives, but he receives more amount. So how? First you can write down 600 as a rebate, debit the losses. Then how much cash comes in? 60,000 minus 600. 60,000 minus 600. Then it comes as 59,400. So you can see that when we are offering 600, we are receiving 59,400. It is in a tradition custom in the business to accept certain cash discounts. If you are offering the cash discount, then generally the buyer, that is drawee, will motivate to pay the bill amount before the date of maturity. So some of the students will ask the question to me, your seniors either in an CA course also. What they are asking, sir, why he lost the 600? Because it is a technique. Before 1 month I am receiving 59,400. If I deposit it in the bank, then I will get the same interest. My money is guaranteedly returned. That is a process of giving the discount. 2. Bills receivable account. 2. Bills gone out, 60,000. So entry you can see that cash account debit, rebate on bills account debit, 2. Bills receivable account. Being cash received and rebate given. Simple. Being cash received and rebate is given. You can see the entries. See the entries one by one. You can see the entries. Rebate. Don't think in your mind, sir, this 600, why he faced the loss, sir? Because if drawee dishonor the bill, 60,000 loss. So that's why in every business there must be a certain discounts are given. Those are known about cash discount, rebate on bills. This is a loss to Shiva. That's why I have debited. Once you can go through the problem each and every step. If you have any doubt, you can ask the question to me. First 2 entries are same. I have already stated to you, if any case first 2 entries are same, on the date of maturity only amounts are changing. Now we are going to books of Hari. Books of Hari is a buyer plus drawee. So first Hari. Who is an Hari? Hari is a buyer. Buyer and drawee. Hari is a buyer and drawee. You can write down in the books of Hari. Books of Hari. Buyer plus drawee. So first entry. Purchases. Purchases. Account debit to Shiva account. Write down purchases account debit to Shiva account. Being goods purchased. Being goods purchased on credit. Simple. Being goods purchased on credit. First entry same. There is no change in the entry except on the date of maturity. Date of maturity. Then March 1st. Same. What the entry same? Every day. Shiva. Account debit. 2. Bills payable account. Shiva account debit to bills payable account. Being how many months? 3 months. 3 months bill accepted. 3 months bill accepted. You can see the entries one by one. Shiva account debit to bills payable account being 3 months bill accepted. Being 3 months bill accepted. Actually date of maturity I have stated. Date of maturity he wants to pay on June 1st. But he paid the May 1st. So what is an entry? You can see that his liability cancelled. Bills payable account bills payable account debit 60,000. Why I am debiting the bills payable? Liability cancelled. Bills payable credited, debited to cash. How much? Totally 60,000 has to pay, but 600 is in a discount. Then it comes as a 59,400 to rebate on bills. Now I have credited. Why? Because it is a gain to Hari. 600. Bills payable account debit 60,000 to cash. 60,000 minus 600. 59,400 to rebate on bill 600. Narration. Being bill amount paid and rebate received. Being bill amount paid and rebate received. So rebate on bills credited in his account because it is a gain to Hari. That is debited in the books of Shiva. That is a loss to Shiva. Purchases. This entry is known when this type of entries are come, it is called as a compound entry. 1 debit, 2 credits. Bills payable account debit to cash to rebate on bills. It is a gain to Hari, loss to Shiva. But it should not be considered as a loss. It is a business technique. If he giving an offer of 600, then Hari paid 59,400 to Shiva. If Shiva deposited into the bank within a 1 month, he got that 600 rupees and more advantage. There is no dishonor of the bill from every drawee. If once Shiva has given the rebate to Hari, then Hari will stated this fact to another drawee. Hari will say the amount to another drawee. That drawee also respond and pay the bill amount. If each and every drawee motivated and pay the bill amount, automatically there is no problem of dishonor to the drawer. That is called as a rebate of a bill. Rebate of the bill means making the payment before the date of maturity. Before the date of maturity. That is called as a 600 here I find out. before the date of maturity. That is the process of making the payment before the date of maturity. Once you can see the problem properly, हाय कैसे तुम्हें कैसे है बोलना
बहुत अच्छी
बहुत अच्छे ठीक से पढ़ते हैं
तो पढ़ते तुम्हारे लेवल में पढ़ना नहीं
हमारे लेवल में क्या है ये कहते बरस से चाक भी सफ़े मुंह को हाथ